Hello everyone, I'm going to show you my new website in a moment, and if you hang around to the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to make this. Now this is a balloon dog. Someone asked me the other day, is it a bunch of grapes? Come on, it's not a bunch of grapes, it's a balloon dog. That's the tail, there's the head, there we go, there's the legs. I'm going to show you my balloon is ready, okay, but before we do that, I'm going to show you how to make I want to show you my my website. So if you go to themrlovell.com, first of all you're going to see a picture of Spencer the spider plant. So students in my classroom very familiar with Spencer spider plant, so self-watering spider plant. So attached to BBC microbit, there's a transistor in there, some cool electronics, some water in there that does spill out. Yeah, the odd gift. Spencer does get the odd gift as well, and sometimes there's balloon animals in there, but yeah, not when I took this photo. You can see he's very healthy. Look, there's some baby Spencers there as well. Anyway, I digress. So this is my website, themrlovell.com. So I'm going to use this in my lessons from now on. I'm going to show you. So if I scroll down, there is a Python IDE. So from Trinket. So it's a cloud-based IDE. I know some politicians say they're country first. As an IT computing teacher, it's cloud first. I'm sure some of you have used IDLE or PyCharm or other IDEs, and we have to take our code from whichever drive is at the school, U drive, T drive, W drive. And it can be confusing, I think, for some students. Go to here, go to this directory, / that directory, / that, all the rest of it. It's confusing. So we're going to get rid of all of that. They're going to go to my website and they're going to do this. I'm just going to click full screen. There you go. Here is my code. So this is some code I was running with my Form 6s the other day. So here we go. Print, hello, what's your name? So input from the keyboard stored in the name variable. Then we have if the contents of name is equivalent to Elizabeth, print hello your majesty, else print hello name. We can run this, have a bit of fun. Hello, what's your name? Mr. Lovell. Hello, Mr. Lovell. And if my name happens to be Elizabeth, hello your majesty. Okay, lots of fun. Now, Trinket is also used for the space project that we're going to have at the school soon. And I know at Lord Bills, remember we did all this together, International Space Station. It's all launched again. So we're going to use Trinket. It helps students also get used to that environment. But you can see with Trinket, there are options to log in. Now, I imagine there are some children watching this. Do not log in unless you have the permission of your parents. If you're not a child, go ahead. It's up to you. Check the privacy. Check Trinket.io privacy to see what data they collect on you. This is a education organisation, but check what information they hold on you once you give them all your information of your email address. But if you are a child, speak to your parents first before you log in. So there are options there. So here we go. Where are the options? I've got, here we go. So if I click here, log in. So if you go to the Trinket.io website, you can log in. But don't do that unless you've spoken to your parents. Right. I think it's time for a balloon dog. So here's my balloon. As I said, my website is themrlovell.com. So www.themrlovell.com. I will be putting more cool stuff up there. It won't only be a Python IDE. But yeah, it just means students can come into my class, go to this website, full screen, and just get coding and see the results, and then save the results of save their programs, save the results in their OneNote class notebook. Anyway, right. On with the balloon dog. So here you go. I've got about 4 fingers at the end. You need 4 fingers at the end, otherwise the thing's going to burst. I had one of these burst just before I started recording this. And make it a little soft, let out some air at the end. But you can do this dog in just 3 twists, that's all. It's very, very fast. Here we go. The first twist. We have maximised myself so you're not so you can see a bit more of it. Here we go. We have, this is going to be the ears. Decide how the ears you want. Okay, here we go. Go. There is the dog's head and ears and legs. So second twist. I'm asked how many twists? 7. I don't know why it's 7. Seems to work. Anything less than 7, sometimes it can untwist. Believe it or not, I do have students see me the next day after receiving these things and say, Mr. Lovell, I took your balloon, pig, teddy bear, unicorn, meerkat. No, I don't do meerkat. Someone else did a meerkat. I took it home and it untwisted in my bag. What can I say? I should have done 7 twists. I'll have to complain to the factory. So here you go. So then, last one. Very squeaky hands today. Obviously, lots of hand sanitizer at the moment, aren't we? We're using. So here you go. There it is. There is the balloon dog. 3 twists. I was waffling on there, and that took me a couple of minutes. But once you get the hang of this, you could do several of these in a couple of minutes. Impress your friends. Okay, there you go. Yeah, make kids happy at parties. That's what I do for my little ones. Kids parties I haven't really been for a while, have we? With the situation, but yeah, always take a bag of balloons and yeah, rather than being a bored dad in the corner surfing the web on my phone, just make these for my girls and kids. Always lots of fun. There you go. All right, everybody. See you soon for more news from me. Okay, take care, everyone, and keep coding. Bye.